Welcome to my channel Filipino AME. This is a sample questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Exam for Standard and Practices. Part 4. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Question. How is called the sharpest angle you can bend sheet metal? Answer. Minimum bend radius. Question. What is the color of 100 liter of avgas? Answer. Blue. Question. How many threads can be exposed to a turnbuckle to be safe? Answer. No more than 3 threads on either end. Question. How is called metal's resistance to tearing? Answer. Toughness. Question. What NDT method would indicate a defect by a blip on a screen? Answer. Ultrasonic inspection. Question. What kind of light is used for a dye-penetrant inspection? Answer. Black light. Question. What is a setback? Answer. Bend radius blue metal thickness. Question. How much slack does a flex line require? Answer. 5% to 8%. Question. What are the 2 types of infittings used on a C? Answer. Tube and pipe. Question. What type of load should a rivet take on a properly designed joint? Answer. Shear in tension. Question. Proper riveting will have what forces on it? Answer. Shear. Question. What is the tolerance for dents in quid tubes? Answer. Less than 20% of the diameter and not in the heel of the bend. Question. What are the standard sea level conditions? Answer. 14.70 psi, 29.92 in Hg, 1013.1 millibars at 15 degrees Celsius. Question. What type of head is in 470? Answer. Universal. Question. What type of head is in 426? Answer. Countersunk. Question. What is ductility? Answer. Ability of metal to be pulled and thinned without rupture. Question. What is tensile strength? Answer. Ability to resist stretching or lengthening. Question. What is the definition of normalizing? Answer. From heat treatment where heated, cooled and dry air relieving internal stresses. Question. What is precipitation heat treatment? Answer. Aluminum heat treating where it's heated plus quenched then reheated and held for a period. Question. What is the difference between AC and DC magnetizing in NDT? Answer. AC is surface strength, DC is more thorough or deeper. Question. What is the definition of strain? Answer. Deformation in the material caused by stress. Question. What is energy? Answer. The ability to do work. Question. What is kinetic energy? Answer. Energy of motion. Question. What is potential energy? Answer. Stored energy. Question. What are Newton's three laws? Motion. Answer. 1. Body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion remains in motion along a straight line until external forces acts on it. 2. The greater the force, the greater the acceleration, and the greater the mass the less acceleration. 3. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Question. What is a microvolt? Answer. 10 to 6. Question. What is Bernoulli's principle? Answer. When the velocity increases, pressure decreases. When the velocity decreases, pressure increases. Question. What is the rating in ampere/hour of a 7 ampere for 5 hours battery? Answer. 35 ampere per hour. Question. What are the characteristics of the reciprocating engine? Answer: low weight and high power efficiency. Question: how many sides orthographic drawing shows? Answer: it shows up to 6 sides. Question: what type of bearing is designed to take a radial load? Answer: straight roller bearing. Question: what type of steel is heat treatable? Answer: magnetic. Question: what is the term for the leading edge of the mean aerodynamic chord? Answer: Lamach. Question: where is the weight installed on flight control? Answer: forward of the hinge center line. Question: what is the equivalent of 1 BTU? Answer: 778 foot lbs. Question: what method is used which forms a spherical impression on the surface of the metal? Answer: Bresnel tester. Question: what is the percent of material contained in Monel? Answer: 68% nickel, 29% copper, 0.2% iron, 1% manganese, and 1.8% of other elements. Question: what is the normal quenching media for steel? Answer: brine. Question: what does precipitation heat treat? Answer: greatly increases strength plus hardness, artificial age hardening. Question: when bending a piece of sheet metal, how should the bend be made with respect to the grain of the material? Answer: bends should be made across the grain, perpendicular. Question: how do you call the line at which the metal starts to bend and the line at which the metal stops bending? Answer: bend tangent line. Question: is hydraulic pressure expressed? Answer: in pound per square inch. Question: air instrument line markings? Answer: orange/gray band with wavy lines. Question. Flexible hose under pressure, rubber hoses, how do they react? Answer. Diameter expand and length contract. Question. What is the maximum depth of scratch nicks for aluminum alloy tubing that may be repaired? Answer. 10%. Question. The term cold flow refers to what condition? Answer. Deep, permanent impressions left on a hose by the clamp. Question. What is the maximum allowable patch used on a tube? Answer. 1/2 of the tube diameter. Question. Scratches or nicks on a straight part of alloy tubing may be repaired provided. Answer. They are not 10% deeper than the wall thickness. Question. What is the most suitable type of hose for carrying petroleum and synthetic fluids? Answer. Teflon. Question. What type of corrosion would you get if the surface were rubbing on each other? Answer. Fretting corrosion. Thank you for watching.